Hey guys, my name is Scoby and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to import your settings from Call of Duty Warzone or Call of Duty Black Ops Cold War into CoD Vanguard. This is going to be a nice quick and easy tutorial. I'm going to be showing you step by step how to do everything. Let's jump right into this. So of course I'm going to be doing this method on PC. I'm not sure if it's possible on console. I don't currently own these games on console, so I can't confirm that. Although if I find out anything else, I will leave a comment down below. I will mention, of course, for this video, you're going to need to have both Vanguard and Warzone or Black Ops Cold War already installed, and you're going to need to have those accounts fully set up with all of your settings for this to work. Once this happens, we're going to be coming over to Call of Duty Vanguard, and we can start from anywhere we want. What we need to do from this point is open up our settings. So I'm going to be coming down to the bottom left. I'm going to be clicking on settings right here. From this point, I'm then going to be coming to the very top bar underneath our settings. I'm going to be clicking on the account and network tab right here. And here we should get some more information on our account and network. At this point, we're going to be looking down for our second tab here called Game Installs. And right underneath this, we should have this option here for Import Settings. If we left click this open, here we can choose to import settings. So what we can do here is use this drop down to select Import From. We can import it from Black Ops Cold War or from Warzone. For today's video, I'm just going to be using Black Ops Cold War. We can then click Import Settings right here. Simply left click this. The settings will then be imported. Click OK, and now all of your mappings and all of your settings should be imported from Black Ops or from Modern Warfare, whichever you used. And just like that, you can automatically have all of your settings across. I think this is a great feature, and hopefully we have this in future CODs. It'll help make the setup process a little bit easier. Anyway guys, it's as easy as that to import settings from Black Ops Cold War or from Black Ops Warzone into CoD Vanguard. Anyway guys, I want to take this moment to give a huge shout out to the channel members, Sean, Daly and Arbor. Thank you guys so much. If you'd like to have your name shout out in future videos or some other perks, be sure to click the join button underneath any video on the channel. I'd greatly appreciate it. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, as always, keep it saucy. Peace.